Introducing the all-new Daikin Fit, a residential HVAC system designed with a space-saving side discharge cabinet and equipped with a quiet, energy-efficient inverter compressor. The Daikin Fit is a revolution from the big traditional systems of yesterday. While the constant on and off of a traditional system can be as loud as up to 76 dBA, the Daikin Fit system's operating noise is as low as 55 dBA due to its variable speed inverter compressor. Because of its side discharge design, the Daikin Fit takes up much less space than traditional systems, allowing you to reclaim your space any way you see fit. The Daikin Fit system is made up of the newly designed outdoor unit, Daikin's entire range of communicating gas furnaces, with 80 to 97% efficiencies, all new aluminum evaporator coils equipped with an electronic expansion valve, as well as a new Daikin Premier air filter. To help the Daikin Fit unit withstand the elements, the coils have been coated with bluefin corrosion coating. At the heart of the system is a proprietary inverter swing compressor, utilized for enhanced efficiency, reliability, and low sound levels. For additional efficiency and sound reduction compared to traditional non-inverter units, the Daikin Fit leverages a variable speed DC fan. Acting as the brain of the system is an inverter PCB board that ensures efficient operation to deliver comfort inside the home. The Daikin Fit outdoor unit connects to the full range of Daikin efficient communicating gas furnaces with upflow, downflow, and horizontal connections available. In addition to the furnace, the Fit system takes advantage of the new Daikin evaporator coils, which come standard with their own PCB board. All aluminum coils, and an electronic expansion valve, which has a wide operation range and precise expansion efficiency. To further elevate the air around you, a MERV 15 filter that removes more than 87% of particles down to 0.3 micron can be applied with the Daikin Premium Air Cleaner. All of this with an outdoor unit that is much smaller than the old traditional system, measuring in at only 36.6 inches wide, 27.4 inches tall, and 13.8 inches deep for the small cabinet, and 37 inches wide, 39 inches tall, and 12.6 inches deep for the large units. The Daikin Fit fits your budget, fits your space, fits your comfort, fits your life. Daikin Air Intelligence.